He got fired on a Tuesday. 3 months behind on rent. 0 plans. Just him.
So, naturally, I showed up with caffeine and sarcasm. That's what little brothers are for.
He hadn't touched a tool in weeks. Just sat there scrolling, like the phone held answers. I didn't know what I was looking for. I just needed out.
And there it was. Wood, broken and soaked. Like me.
I don't know why I even stopped. Maybe because it looked worse off than I did.
He brought it home. Like some kind of wooden rescue mission.
I didn't have a job, but I had tools. And now, apparently, I had a project.
It was ridiculous. He stared at it like it owed him rent.